This video is all about the answers of the question paper of the board examination for semester 1 examination physical education. Question number 1, what is a shin splint injury? The options are: it is a traumatic injury to the brain that alters mental status. It is a partial or complete break in the continuity of the bone. Next option is pain in lower region of leg between knee and ankle. Next option is it is a tear or sprain of the anterior cruciate ligament. The answer will be this one, the pain in lower region of leg between knee and ankle, because the shin splint, if we talk about it, identifies the particular region between knee and ankle. Question number 2, to develop the ability to handle success and failure with equanimity is considered as which objective of physical education? Physical development, psychological development, social development, emotional development. The answer is psychological development. You know that whenever it talks about equanimity, that means it is saying about the coming down of the mental state of the stress and the depression of the success and failure. Question number 3, which body type has a high metabolic rate? The most of the sources are giving the ectomorph, but as per my thought it is mesomorph, but it will be dependent on the marking schemes given by the council. Question number 4, the stage from the age of 12 years to 19 years is called childhood stage, infancy stage, adolescent stage, adulthood stage. The answer is obviously adolescent stage. Question number 5, 100% perfection at hitting the target refers to the skill component speed, strength, accuracy and power. The answer will be accuracy, because 100% perfection is being taught here. Because 100% perfection is being taught here. Question number 6, in which stage do people face various chronic diseases? Adolescence, early adulthood, late adulthood, middle adulthood. The answer is late adulthood, because in this stage from 65 onwards you will be finding there are a lot of chronic diseases are observed in the particular age group of people. Question number 7, love of food and comfort is a psychological characteristic of which body type? Endomorph, mesomorph, ectomorph, hard gainer. The answer is obviously endomorph. Question number 8, which fracture shows no break and no wound in the skin? Linear fracture, impacted fracture, compound fracture, simple fracture. The answer is simple fracture, because whenever we talk about simple fracture, you will not be finding any kind of wound on the skin or the muscle. The breakage will be happening on the bone inside. Question number 9, the process that starts from infancy and continues into the late adolescence, concentrating on gross and fine motor skills, is known as physical development, psychological development, social development, emotional development. This is obviously physical development, because it is said about gross and fine motor skills. Question number 10, the ability to perform a task or move from one point to another is the shortest period of time is called power, speed, balance, agility. It is obviously speed, because it is being said about the task or move from one point to another in shortest period of time. Question number 11, genes and chromosomes affect which factors of human growth and development? Heredity, environment, gender, nutrition. This is obviously heredity because it is said about gene and chromosomes. Question number 12. The objective of social development in physical education is to guide a person to make his body strong, well shaped and good looking. Option B, to develop the ability to respect the attitudes and values of others, to develop the ability to control various emotions like fear, pleasure, hope, anger, to develop positive thoughts, ideas, behaviors, attitude, conduct and responses. The answer is obviously to develop the ability to respect the attitudes and value of others. Question number 13. Lower back pain is a tear or sprain of the medial collateral ligament, refers to any pain or discomfort experienced in the bottom region of the spine, occurs when the ligament that supports the ankle stretch beyond their limit and tear. In lower region of leg between knee and ankle. The answer is obviously refers to any pain or discomfort experienced in the bottom region of the spine. Okay, lower back pain and bottom region of the spine is correlated. Question number 14. Health related physical fitness components are agility, speed, muscular endurance, muscular strength, balance and coordination, power and speed. The answer is muscular endurance and muscular strength, and rest of the components like agility, speed, balance, coordination, power and speed, these all are skill related physical fitness components. Question number 15. The training by an athlete should be followed without any break. Which principle does it refer to? Principle of continuity, principle of adaptation, principle of overload, principle of progression. This is obviously the principle of continuity, because here it is being said as without any break. That will be the training should be continuously going on. Question number 16. The injury that occurs when ligaments of the ankle joint are forced beyond their normal range. Muscle strain, shin splint, sprained ankle, fracture. It is obviously sprained ankle. As you can understand, it is said about the ankle joint. Okay. Question number 17. Timed shuttle run is useful to improve which component of physical fitness? Speed, agility, power, accuracy. This is obviously agility, because shuttle run means going some certain distance and coming back, again going some certain distance and coming back. This is falling under agility. Question number 18. Which of the following exercise helps the body to gradually transition to a resting or near resting state? Jogging, cooling down, warm up, sprinting. The answer is cooling down. Question number 19. The principle of dash refers to the process of the body getting used to training through regular repetition. The answer is the options are recovery, adaptation, reversibility, specificity. That is, answer is adaptation, because it is being said that the body getting used to. Question number 19. Which of the following is not a cause of sprained ankle? Landing awkwardly on foot after jumping, lack of calcium, walking or exercising on an uneven surface, a fall that caused the ankle to twist. The answer will be lack of calcium, because it is not the cause of sprained ankle. The rest of the points are falling under the causes of sprained ankle. Question number 21. Which test is conducted to assess muscle strength? Cooper run, Harvard steps test, push-up test, zigzag test. The answer is push-up test. Question number 22. which statement about fracture is not true? There are different types of fracture. Fracture is a broken bone. Fractures range from a minor crack to a complete break. There is a slight pain. The answer is there is a slight pain, because the rest of the options are related to the fracture of the bone. Question number 23. Where do you feel pain in the runner's knee? Front of the knee, thigh, calf, back of the knee. The answer is back of the knee. Question number 24. In periodization, the year is divided into how many periods? 2, 4, 3, 6. The answer is 3. One is preparatory period, second one is competition period, and the third one is transition period. Question number 25. Which of the following activities improves aerobic endurance the most? Stretching, weightlifting, swimming, archery. The answer is swimming, obviously, because stretching, weightlifting and archery does not include with the endurance activity. Question number 26. What is concussion? Leg injury, head injury, back injury, shoulder injury. The answer is head injury. Concussion is related to head injury only. Question number 27. The process of preparation of a sportsman based on scientific and technical principles for higher performances is called sports fitness, sports training, physical education, physical fitness. The answer is sports training. Question number 28. It is the time taken by the body to respond immediately after stimulus. Speed, agility, stamina, reaction time. The answer is reaction time, because it is said about responding immediately after stimulus. That is related to reaction time. Question number 29. Injury of the ligament or tendon around the joints. Strain, sprain, cramp, fracture. This question is little bit doubtful, because the cramp and fracture will not be any option. These options are not at all related to that. Strain and sprain, these two are very much correct to this particular answer, particular question, because strain is the injury of the tendon and sprain is the injury of ligament. So it is doubtful. We need to wait for the answer key. Question number 30. The athlete must be given training as per the needs of the game. Which principle does it refer to? Principle of individuality, principle of specificity, principle of adaptation, principle of progression. The answer will be the principle of specificity, because it is said about the need of the game. Question number 31. Dash is the ability of the muscles to perform continuously without fatigue. Strength, flexibility, power, stamina. The answer is stamina, because this strength, flexibility, power is not at all related to fatigue. Question number 32. All athletes must continually work harder to improve as their bodies adjust to existing workouts. This is called principle of recovery, principle of specificity, principle of frequency, principle of overload. The answer is principle of overload, because it is said about working out harder and harder. Question number 33. The ability to control the body position while stationary or moving is coordination, power, accuracy, balance. The answer is balance, because whenever you can control your body in a stationary position or in moving, that determines your balance. Question number 34. Short and long periods of rest between exercise sessions is necessary. This is the principle of adaptation, specificity, recovery, variance. The answer is recovery. Question number 35. Which type of strength is essential in shot put? Maximum strength, explosive strength, strength endurance, dynamic strength. The answer will be explosive strength. Means whenever you are executing shot put, you are doing it in a sudden jerk, and whenever you are doing a sudden jerk with the strength workout, that determines explosive strength. Question number 36. Performance and physical education can deteriorate if training stops. This is known as healthy participation, principle of intensity, principle of periodization, principle of reversibility. The answer is principle of reversibility. It means that whenever training is started, that means that it must have to be continued, and the training what has been given, that must have to be reversed again. Otherwise, the components will not be improved. Question number 37. At what point in a person's growth and development does he or she become self-directed and experienced? Infancy stage, adulthood stage, childhood stage, adolescent stage? It is obviously adulthood stage, because in this stage you can direct yourself by your own. Question number 38. Which of the following is not the phase of periodization? Resting phase, preparatory phase, competitive phase, transition phase. The answer is resting phase, because preparatory phase, competitive phase and transition phase are the parts of periodization. Question number 39. Name the muscle fiber due to which the person will have more endurance. Rapid twitch fiber, white twitch fiber, fast twitch fiber, slow twitch fiber. These two are not rapid twitch fiber and white twitch fiber. These two are not into consideration because there is no such word in muscle category. The answer will be slow twitch muscle fiber, because slow twitch muscle fiber contains more red blood cells, and you know red blood cell means it produces more oxygen, and in endurance of activity oxygen is required. Question number 40. This principle of sports training states that people respond differently to a given training stimulus. Principle of individuality, principle of adaptation, principle of reversibility, principle of variance. The answer is principle of individuality, because here it says that people respond differently. That means different people can respond different way. Question number 41. Ectomorph body usually refers to rounded physique, balanced body, lean body, muscular body. The answer is lean body. Question number 42. Which of the following is not the cycle of periodization? Mesocycle, macrocycle, microcycle, nanocycle. The answer is nanocycle, because there is no such word in periodization. Question number 43. The ability of joints to move in maximum range with external help is known as passive flexibility, static flexibility, active flexibility, dynamic flexibility. It will be the answer will be passive flexibility, because whenever you are doing some flexibility workout, if somebody is helping, that determines your passive flexibility. Question number 44. What is the most common symptom of concussion? Loss of consciousness, loss of balance, pain or stiffness along the Achilles tendons in the morning, pain on the outside of the hip and thigh or in the buttock, morning stiffness of the elbow with persistent aching. The concussion is related to loss of consciousness and loss of balance. Question number 45. The parental environment is the environment of child from 0 to 5 years, child during birth, child after birth, the fetus in the womb. The answer is the fetus in the womb. Question number 46. The full form of MCL is medial cruciate ligament, medial collateral ligament, medial common ligament, medial crossover ligament. The answer is medial collateral ligament. Question number 47. Which one of the following is not a part of growth? Size, maturation, height, weight. The answer is maturation, because size, height and weight is directly related to growth. Maturation is related to development. Question number 48. Breaking a bone with twisting force results in what kind of fracture? Spiral fracture, transverse fractures, simple fracture, linear fracture. The answer is spiral fracture. So when it is said about twisting force, it is related to spiral fracture only. Question number 49. Which physical trait is associated with an endomorph? Little body fat percentage, narrow waist, soft and round shaped body, long arms and legs. This is obviously soft and round shaped body. Question number 50. What is a fracture? It is a tear or sprain of the anterior cruciate ligament. It is a partial or complete break in the continuity of the bone. It is an inflammation of the tendon that joins the muscles of the forearm to the outside of the elbow. It is the common term used to describe any one of the several conditions that cause pain around the kneecap. The fracture is related to, it is a partial or complete break in the continuity of the bone. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I think this will be helping you to understand how much you can score in this board exam semester 1. Thank you.